Guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve algorithm on Picsart. To know how to fix or how to solve algorithm on Picsart, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of Picsart and you can click. Then this list of app info you can click on first step and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.